Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their bath bomb called The Experimenter. It did arrive cracked all the way around, but it wasn't completely broken in half. It actually stayed intact for the whole time it was in the tub, so that was nice. I don't live next to a Lush. The closest one is probably like 40 minutes away, so I don't go there that often. So most of the bath bombs I order from them, I do get online. Haven't had much of an issue with, broken bath bombs. But I ordered this a while back, and I have several more, so there will be more Lush demos this week if you're interested. But this one is described as having a soothing vanilla absolute fragrance, and it's also described as smoky and sweet. I definitely picked up on the sweet smell, but I'm not quite sure about the smoky. But it did smell really good. And it also had the little popping candies inside. A lot of their bath bombs do have that, and it's pretty cool because I haven't seen anyone else do that. And sometimes I don't read the descriptions and don't know they're in there, and I could just hear it popping really loud in the tub. It's kind of fun. But this one was very soft and moisturizing. And the water turned a teal color at the end. And it lasted quite a long time. The bath bomb is 6.3 ounces and the price is $9.25. And usually if you order a decent amount from Lush, you do get free shipping. So I try to make sure I get all the newer bath bombs whenever I put in an order. And you also get to pick a free sample online too, which is fun. So here's the last little bit of the bath bomb. It was super soft feeling. So I did kind of crumble it up and put it back in the tub. But here's what the water looked like at the end. If you like Lush demos, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Like I said, I will have at least 1 or 2 more this week, along with a demo from Bauble and probably Charmed Aroma. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.